This 2014 Tiffin Phaeton 40QBH is a Class A RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Tiffin is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, refrigerator, slide-out, awning, TV, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, stovetop burner, air conditioning, LP detector, smoke detector, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath. This 2014 Tiffin Phaeton 40QBH is built on a Cummins i6 diesel pusher chassis and is powered by a Freightliner engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.